when an earthquake strikes, the ground starts shaking in many different ways. The houses that are not sturdy enough may collapse, causing great losses. I am Architect Kiki. Do you know how to build houses at different locations? This is a seismic hazard map. The colors and numbers marked on the map indicates different levels of earthquake resistance required in house building. Wherever it is, houses should be sturdy. Can you place the buildings at the matching zones of seismic fortification intensity? Level 9 Fortification Zone. Level 8 Fortification Zone. Level 7 Fortification Zone. Level 6 Fortification Zone. Now let's build the sturdy houses to stay safe even when earthquake strikes. School building. The government has increased the seismic fortification criteria. Now we need to strengthen the school building's earthquake-resistant capability. Let's set up the temporary fencing for the construction site first. Safety is the priority in the construction site. Place the safety signs here. Turn the knob to move the aerial work platform up. The steel frame is a bit rusty. Polish it with sandpaper. Spray paint the steel frame so that it won't rust so easily. When an earthquake strikes, the damper on the energy dissipation device can deform to dissipate or absorb the seismic energy, thus efficiently prevent the collapsing of the building. The school building is reinforced. Great! Buildings with seismic strengthening and buildings without seismic strengthening will act differently in an earthquake. Slide the button to check it out. Small earthquake. Stay intact in a small earthquake. Medium earthquake. Repairable damages in medium earthquake. Big earthquake. Won't collapse in a big earthquake. Great job! Wow! The earthquake-resistant building you built is so sturdy! Amazing! Keep going! rabbit wants a carrot house. First, pull the carrot out of the ground. Insert the wooden stakes. Install a door and a window. Put up colorful lanterns on it. Help little rabbit plant mushrooms. Put your favorite decorations next to the house. What a lovely carrot house you have built! Little rabbit loves it. Thank you! Here's a gift from... You have a new decoration!
Whoa!
Wow! What a big watermelon! I want to make a swimming pool out of the big watermelon, Little Hippo said. First, remove the leaves. Set up swimming pool parts. Put your favorite decorations next to the pool. What a pretty swimming pool you have built. Little Hippo loves it.
Whoa!
Thank you. Here's a gift from Little Hippo. You have a